Hi, this is Mr. Cappert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the rim for your scooter. Like always, you want to start with a new part. Then you're going to start a 2D sketch on the XZ surface. And before you do anything, make sure you change the units to millimeters. You are going to then go to the sketch tab, create a circle, and the outside of the circle should be 70 millimeters. You then need to create another circle for where the bearings are going to go, and that is going to be 22 millimeters. Next, you want to do some kind of pattern on here. It's up to you, but you got to do something different than me. I'm just going to put these holes in here. You can use other shapes as well. Notice you can do slots, polygon, where you can choose the number of sides. You cannot use a circle like me though. You must do something different. Make sure you dimension the shape that you put in here. This is going to create a cut, and I believe I made this 20, and I made the diameter of this 10 millimeters. Next thing you want to do is a circular pattern. The geometry that you want to choose is whatever pattern you made. You might have to click and drag to select it. And then your axis should be the center here. I did a repeat of 8, so you can change that number and make it whatever you want. If you don't want it to go all the way around, you can also change it where it just goes partially around as well. Make sure you hit OK. You're going to finish this sketch, and then you want to extrude just this part. So make sure you choose the right part, and you want to extrude it by, that's something I need to check on real quick. You want to extrude by 24 millimeters. All right, this is the first part of the video. I'll create more to show you the other steps. Please let me know if you have any additional questions.